Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to boost your email marketing game and drive more conversions, you are in the right place. One of the most effective ways to engage your audience and to build your community and commissions. Let's dive in. Okay, let's start with why email is still one of the best ways to drive conversions. The reality is we all check our emails multiple times per day. Whether it's a personal or promotional, email is the go-to communication tool. And if you're looking to get more engagement and build a loyal following, email is the vehicle you want to use. It's like having a direct line to your audience's inbox. Now, when it comes to promoting something like the Dubb partner program or really anything that you're looking to market, email newsletters are a fantastic option. Here's a quick tip. Start a weekly or monthly email newsletter. The easiest way to get started is by configuring your email sender within a platform like Google or Outlook. If you have fewer than 1,000 contacts, those are great options. But if you've got a larger list, we recommend using a more robust sending tool like SendGrid. So how do you actually write email? The key here is to having a solid script that speaks directly to your audience. We recommend the HAVE method, H-A-V-E. It's simple. Hook your audience with something compelling. Address a problem that they're facing. Provide value and extend a clear call to action. Make sure your email subject and body follow this structure. Once you have your script ready, you're good to go. Now, if you want to take things up a notch, let's talk about video. Video is super engaging, and we always recommend including one in your emails. You can record a quick webcam video, shoot something within your phone, or even record a video from your desktop to build trust and demonstrate something. If you don't feel comfortable speaking impromptu text, we recommend using the Dubb teleprompter so that you can stay on script and record efficiently. When sending your email, there are a couple best practices you want to follow. The first is to clean up your email list. Use an email list cleaning tool to remove bad or invalid emails. This helps with deliverability and ensures your email doesn't land in the spam folder. Start small too. Begin sending your email with just a few people and then gradually increase that number every day. This helps to warm up your email list and builds your email reputation. You can also use a third-party email warm-up tool to expedite the process. Another tip is to always encourage responses. When people respond to your emails, it boosts your engagement and improves your domain's reputation. Email providers like Google and Outlook love it when you get responses because it shows that your emails are real. And guess what? Getting responses are also a great way to drive conversions and to start conversations. Now, how do you actually grow your email list? One of the easiest ways to do this on Dubb is by using forms. You can include a link directly in your email or even embed a form on your website. You can also include a form as a call to action below your Dubb videos. This way, people have an easy way to consume your content and then enter their email so they can receive more content from you. Remember, make it value first. And also remember this, consistency is key. If people get consistent value from you, they'll naturally take the next step. And that is where your conversions come in. Best of luck on your email newsletter journey. To sum it all up, engage your audience, provide value, and keep it consistent. If you do that, you'll be well on your way to growing your email list and driving more conversions and income. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and leave a comment below on how you're going to drive more conversions with your email campaigns. Remember, sharing is caring, so share this video with a friend, and we will see you at the next one.